Bioethics, Manei y Ibis María Santander. Bioethics is the branch of ethics that is especially concerned with the systematic study of the behavior of an individual in the field of life science as occurs. That is in the medical field. First, it is implies in those values and moral principles that are the race in the growth of the late life, understood in order to guard for the treatment of the people, animal, and the environment. Actually, one of the fields in which bioethics has more influence in medical practice is in addition for this purpose. They are topics such as euthanasia, organ transplants, abortions, and all those matter involved and the medical patient relationship. Absolutely. Would be that the comprehensive practice of the biomedical ethical principle guarantee adequate care for the terminally ill patients. Thus, giving the priority. Likewise, it is necessary that the health health professional who face terminal illness receive comprehensive trainings in biotics and adhere to and adequate its methodology to resolve subsequent conflicts. The important thing is to prevent solution to the population and provide the with comprehensive cards so that we will not violating one of the principles of bioethics, principle of justice. Thank you.